Good morning. It is Tuesday, October 31st, 2023, and it is a beautiful, beautiful morning. We had our first snow in Minnesota last night, yesterday, and overnight, and it actually accumulated. So but you can see way down the river bank, there's snow. The flag is flying. For freedom. It's about 29 degrees, I think they said, or 25 degrees this morning, and a high of 32, 33 today. So it's not going to get too warm. It's a beautiful morning though. You can see the sky way up. Oh, look at the trees and the clouds and the blue and the white, and it's so beautiful. And the pond is frozen. It's probably not frozen all the way through, but it's frozen. It's a beautiful morning. It's supposed to warm up, not a lot in the next few days, but kind of a chilly morning, but not too bad. Should get that smoker going today. Some nice big fish. Dick has some big fish. And we've got a lot of good meals on this wood stove here. Sitting on this deck. Lots of parties. Lots of fun. It's a beautiful day. The pond always reminds me of, there was a tree close by here, and Ray was coming over one day when I was up, and Dick says, see if Ray will bring his chainsaw. So he brought his chainsaw and we cut a tree, and the bridge. I think of Don, I helped, but Don did most of it on the little bridge, and the goats and the sheep, they love to go across that. It's really a beautiful day. Right down here is where we catch a lot of, well, they catch a lot of walleye. I still haven't caught one yet, but one of these days. I didn't put my water, I didn't even have a license this year. I didn't even get it in the water. Oop. So lots of picnics out here. There's another big smoker, another picnic area with a great big grill. We've had that full 4th of July, sweet corn and brats and all kinds of stuff. Looks a little bit different when it starts snowing. Everything kind of starts getting put away, and the chimes are chiming pretty quiet here. The sun's trying to peek out. Neighbors over there. Goody's garden here. All pulled up. It's a beautiful garden this year. car's got a little snow on it. Just fed the chickens. Well, we'll go over by the horse first. There's still some potatoes to be dug. There's Bella. Bella's looking pretty good. A few apples on the tree. I guess they're rock hard. Get some pictures of Bella. There's a Martin house, I believe. There's the hay barn where the hay is, and the feed and saddles and stuff in there. And hey, Bella. Hi, Bella. Bella's looking pretty good. She's not shivering, Debbie. She's still eating away. I just fed her and made sure she had some water. Hey, Bella. Hands getting cold. There's a wood pile, and the goats and sheep have been out there. They don't have any right now, but we had sheep, baby sheep, in all these buildings a few years ago in the spring. Oh my goodness, it was so cold. We were bringing them in the house to warm them up when they were born. I happened to be up here when they started lambing, and it was quite the experience. Here's our chickens. They just moved out the bigger chickens, and now they have a new batch that they got in June, so they're not laying yet, but they will be laying here pretty soon. But they're looking pretty good. Just fed them all real good. Gave them all kinds of stuff. And when are you going to start laying, huh? Pretty soon. But they're really pretty. So those are the nests that Tim Pushka built, and then I brought them up in my Subaru. I said, I don't think they'll fit. And Tim got them in the back seat of my car. Then I had to put them in my garage because I wasn't coming up for a while, and I needed my back seat for Norwex probably. So, interesting life. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy this beautiful day.